Good day and welcome to the channel. In this incredibly short video, we're going to show you how to change the watch band on, the strap on a Galaxy Fit 3. So I bought this for my dad who's 94 years old. His hands are pretty good, but they're a little fussy when it comes to fine-tune motor skill things, and trying to slide the band together is just too hard. So I've got him this band that's a stretchy guy. And you can see we've got 3 of them, paid $13 whole for these off Amazon. And we're going to show you how to change the band. I took a quick look at mine, and I can tell you, while it's super easy, I just didn't see it. So I'll show it to you and you'll go, oh yeah, it's pretty obvious, bud. So let's do it. Fiddly watch band that's just too hard for a lot of people to change. So you got to pop it in like that. There we go, pull it out. Now what you do is, I didn't notice it originally, but upon inspection, there's a little button right there and right there. You just push on them. So I've got to get my fingernail and I'm going to dig it in there and just off it goes. That's it. I don't have to push the button in to reattach it. I just pop it in. Same on this side. Done. And done. Now it's nice and stretchy. And this one's resizable. So it'll fit anybody, especially people that have troubles with fine motor skills with trying to maneuver it. That's it. If you found the video useful, big thumbs up. It'd be super appreciated. If you have any questions or concerns, you can get a hold of us directly at www.urtech.ca, or you can leave a question or comment below, and if we don't get back to you, somebody else will. Thanks and have a great day. Bye-bye.